So in front of me I've got Jabra Evolve2 65. In this video I'll show you how to pair it with Android smartphone. In the beginning, enter pairing mode. And now enter Bluetooth settings on your smartphone. Select pair new device. And select Jabra Evolve. Tap pair. And it's done. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.